Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
How are you today? I'm fine too, thank you. What of you? Where is your marks? Oh my God. Next meeting or next time, don't forget to use your marks. Be careful. We have, what the issue now? COVID-19. It is so dangerous. So you have to careful, yes? Okay. Nora, please lead your friend to pray.
Our lesson today. Let's take pray. Pray, please.
Okay, thank you. Are you happy today? Are you happy? Oh yes, you are happy. There is a sad one. Ada yang sedih nggak hari ini? Yang sedih? Nggak ada. Semuanya senang? Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, everybody happy today. Okay, who is absent? Okay, Rizky. Where is Rizky? Okay, she is sick. Let's pray to Rizky to get soon better. Yes, to get well soon. Today, I want to ask you about something. Now, have you get vaccine?
Yes.
Sudah vaksin? Oke, alhamdulillah. Nah, we talk about COVID-19, right? Vaksin, it is COVID-19. Do you afraid with the virus? Takut nggak sama virus itu? Takut? Why? Why you afraid with COVID-19 virus? Because what? Apa yang membuatmu takut sama COVID-19?
Karena
Sakit. Okay, you get. And then what else? If we get COVID-19, the bad effect of COVID-19, what? We can?
Yes.
We can dead, right? So our friends, our family, there are so many people dead because of COVID-19. So now we have to be careful. Both of you, don't forget to use your masks. Okay, next time. Today we will study about report text because report text is factual report. Jadi report text itu tentang report yang nyata, yang sedang terjadi. But we are focused on what? Language feature, especially passive voice. Now this is the aim what we do in this meeting. The first, you have to outline the meaning, but don't forget the language feature, especially passive voice in a text transactional. And then the second, you have to make a text transactional that contain passive voice. We use language feature passive voice. This is the aim in this meeting. Okay, did you got it? Sudah siap? Are you ready? You have to make a text. You are ready? You are ready? Ready. Okay. Okay, class. today I have a video. Now you can watch the video. After that, find out the information about the video, like what the video tell us about. Yes, did you get it? Now enjoy the video, and then find out the information about this video. I will give you 5 minutes to watch it.
COVID-19 stands for coronavirus disease 19. It is a disease caused by coronavirus that unidentified yet in human body. It is identified first available in human body in the end of 2019 in Wuhan, China. Generally, COVID-19 appears in common symptoms such as flu, sore throat, and fever. For some people with low immunity, it refers lung infection and heart failure. The most significant for a human in COVID-19 sufferer is death. COVID-19 can spread easily through tightly contact with the sufferer. Cough and sneezing from COVID-19 sufferers create droplets. Then they will pass to other and infect through breathing system. It will affect mostly children and old people with low immunity. There are chemicals that need oxygen to breathe independently. First, oxygen lowers your heart. Second, clear your face mask, especially when you are out of your house. Third, keep social distancing with everyone. Fourth, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Fifth, when you get fever and hard to breathe, call the medical personnel to get more treatment. Sampai ke paragraf bawahnya di sini, yang paling atas adalah title.
Okay, that's enough. How about the video? It is interesting or not?
Yes.
Interesting or not? Yes? Okay, yes, this is interesting. Do you know what the what the video tell us about? It is about what? Yes, this is tell us about COVID-19. Now, but I said before, the worst thing happened if human get the virus. What? It is? Yes, we will get dead. And then, what? They will get what? If they get the virus, the first thing. Pertama yang kalau dia dapat biasanya apa? Apa yang dia rasakan? Okay, they get flu. And then what else? And then batu bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Do you know what the batu? Couchage. Okay, batuk ya. And then now find out the information about this video. I give you 3 minutes to write your information on your LKPD that I have shared with you. Okay. Now let's start. Yeah. what the information that you got from this video, like what is COVID. Yeah. What you got about COVID? COVID, like this. The identify first available human body in Wuhan. And then what else? COVID make me dead, or COVID make me strong. Have you finished? Not yet. Okay. Have you finished? Not yet. Yes. Namanya. Do you find some difficulties? What? Yes. Like that, yes. Finish. Okay. Finish? Yes. Okay, thank you. After you write it. Okay, class. After you write information about the video and make a question about the video, now you can find out the information or to answer your question that you have already made in your LKPD. You can look at your LKPD or your worksheet, find out the information about this from the internet or from your book. You have the book. You have a book. Yes, this is. You can open page 99. 99. Yes. Find out the information. That's all your information there is on your book and there is on your internet. Now you find your by with your group the information and then write down on your worksheet. Okay? This is the LKPD. This is the tax 1. This is the text about pretzels. Okay? Find out what you got, the information. Okay? Now start. You have some difficulties? You can do it? Okay. Yes? This is what you got. This is when we use passive voice. This. And then or. This is also the information about. This is you can find out what information that you can. This text. The verb will tell us about this is like how many passive points in the sentence. So we will talk about the passive voice. This is you can find out the information passive voice in this book, or you can find it from your internet.
Kami tidak tahu Pak agennya.
Bu, ini kan ditanya ada berapa banyak jumlah teks pasif. Dijelaskan satu-satu apa cuma ditulis kalau ada?
You can underline like this. The ideal pretzel as served in Germany has a dark brown crispy. This is passive or active. If it's passive, you can underline. Bisa di garis bawah like this. Underline like you can see. Pretzel is made this is now you can underline like this now. Oh, this is passive voice. Find out the another and then count it. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 or 3. Like this is the question. You can answer the question. Have you finished? Not yet. Okay. If you have some difficulties or you don't know what you do, please ask me. I will guide you. Okay? Have you finished? Not yet. Yes, finish. Somebody finish and somebody another not yet. Okay, I give you 1 minute left. You get some difficulties? You can ask me. Oh my God. Okay, I will get you catering. You can use mine if you have some trouble with your internet. Okay, you can use mine. Okay, finish? Yes? Okay, class. After you got the you find out the information in the internet. Okay, I will divide you three groups. This is the first group, and then you are the second group, and then you are the third group. Now, in this section, you will present the data that what you got. Jadi, please present your data. Okay, from this group, are you ready? Yes. The second group, you are ready? Yes. The third group, you are ready? Yes. Okay, let's try atau let's start with the first group. Okay, please, the first group. Who wants to try? Okay, please stand up, please.
Tradisional mas.
And
That is update. Press still top. Header is blue. This is class of dress is
enough? Okay. This is true or not? Okay, another group. This is true or not? The first, what is the first? Pretzel is traditionally made from white or wet flour. Okay, this is right or true? Another group. This is right or true? True or right? Okay, another group. You can comment. Kasih komen, benar apa salah? Ayo. You can say, this is right or not? Same with you or not? Benar, okay. This is right. This is the passive voice. And then let's try the second group, please. Present your result. Where is another passive voice? You got how many passive voice? Please stand up and then share with us. Come on.
The present is traditional. What is promise? What is daily? Present atau with? Present is because of
Okay, thank you. The second group, give applause. Okay, this is true or right? Same or not with your answer? Sama enggak? Same with you. You got how many? How many passive voice? 1, 2, 3. 5. Yes, you are got 5. This is got the 6 passive voice. And then your group. Now, please present. Okay, thank you. Give applause. So, how many? 4. 4. Okay, you got a 4. What? Passive voice. Okay, now please one of this. Now who want to answer? One of you, please. The pretzel is traditional made from what? You can answer. You can change. This is the passive voice to be active voice. Now, who wants to try it? Let's try it. Coba. This is passive voice to be active sentence. From passive to be active sentence. In Indonesia, if you still remember about membaca become dibaca. Membaca is active, dibaca is passive. This is same like in English. If we have is made, the meaning is made? Made? Iya, membuat. Jadi kalau is made, the meaning is made berarti dibuat. Nah, now try to change to active form. So, jadi bagaimana? The pretzel is made become aktifnya gimana? Ya dari pasif jadi aktif. Aktifnya gimana coba? Try. Kalau in English? In English? Okay, maybe you will get some difficulties if I now this is also called a language book. Language Brazil is also called, now you can change to be active. Jadi apa? Called itu kan itu is called kalau diubah menjadi if you change to passive active it's to be jadi apa? Is call. Kalau berubah jadi apa? Jadi call aja. Oke, jadi call aja. Kalau is call itu kan dipanggil. It means dipanggil. So if we change to active, the meaning is change to be memanggil. Okay. Class, we back in this text. Now, the pretzel is traditional made from white or flour, malt, salt, yeast, and water. Now, change it to active sentence. Who wants to try? You want to try?
Tidak bisa, Bu.
Oh, why?
Because teks kalimat tersebut emang cocoknya sama kalimat pasif.
Okay, let's say in English. Because in this text, it is suitable using passive voice. So this sentence cannot change to active form. Okay. Okay. Now, please, I give you a teaching material that I gave you before. Now you can read it, the teaching material, and then you can verify or verification that what you got, and then that what you got from the internet, and then from this is what you got, this is right or not, and then what you do in text 1 in this text, this is true or right. Like you have already got passive voice. Some group said they have 6 passive voice, and then they have 4 passive voice, and then they have 5 passive voice. Now you can verification with teaching material that I gave you. Yes? Now I give you 5 minutes to read it. Start it. After you read it, don't forget to do your worksheet in text 2. You can see this, your worksheet in text 2. Nah, this is. After you read it, you can do this. Text 2. You just match the meaning, like a liar is not believed when he tells the truth. The meaning, where is the meaning? A, B, C, D, or E. You can match it. Did you get it? Did you get it? Yes or not? Still confused? Confused or not? So, after you read the teaching material and then you verification, don't forget to do text 2. You just match, this is the verb, and then what the meaning of the verb you can match. Like Rome was not built in a day. What the meaning? Did you know what the meaning Rome was not built in a day? Ada yang tahu artinya nggak? Roma? Bukan Roma Irama, ya. Roma tidak dibangun, kota Roma tahu kan? Nah, yang jauh di ujung sana, ya. So, this is Roma was not built in a day. Apa sih artinya? What the meaning of the Roma was not built in a day? Roma artinya kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia, in Indonesia, I give you build. You know build? You know build? Build. From here, this, and then you build a home. Build is mean you don't have a home, but and then you build a home. Berarti what's the meaning build? Membangun. Rome was not built in a day. In a day its meaning is? Iya, berarti was not? Tidak, berarti Roma tidak dibangun pagi hari. Roma tidak bangun, pasifnya membangun, become? Yes, dibangun in a day. In dalam? In a day in? Iya, Roma? Iya, Roma tidak dibangun dalam 1 hari. Gitu. So, what's the meaning of this sentence? You can choose A till A. A, B, C, D, E. Which one? You can choose. Okay, like this. Okay? Yeah. Did you get it? Okay, now please read the first your teaching material and then you can do it. Come on.
Ya, Bu.
Yes.
Cuma mencocokkan.
Iya, match it. Match it.
Jawabannya yang ABC itu jadi tapi di saya
This is not a Prambanan temple. Rome is not Prambanan temple.
Ya artinya apa pian ngajak dia. Itu terjemah. 10 Kambowa dari bekerja ketika dia iya, match, yes, match ini sesuai dengan yang mana artinya. Ya. What is done cannot be undone. In our language, it means nasi tidak bisa menjadi bubur. Apa? Do you know what the meaning is?
Bagaimana seorang bisa diharapkan
Bagaimana seorang menjadi bijak jika dia tidak memberitahu? Tahun di mana? The church. Benar. No, you just can write number 1. The answer is A, B, C, D, or E.
Yes.
Number 1, write down.
C.
This is C. Okay, write it. This is C. And then the second, the answer is which one? A, B, C, D. Oh, this is great. Finish? Okay. You are the great group. What about your group? Have you finished?
Not
Not yet. This group is already done. This is finished. They are finished. How about your group?
no.
Oh, not yet.
Terus B. Ini dikasih panah apa langsung kayak
Yeah, just write it. This is B or like this.
Gue bisa mana kan ini deh. Salah kok kamu.
Hmm? Everybody,
Not yet.
have you finished?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Antara C dan E.
Okay, have you finished? Okay, now let's try answer number 1. A liar who wants to try the answer number 1. Raise your hand, please. Okay, one.
read the verse. Read the proverbs. Baca dulu. The truth. Okay. The answer? D. B. B. Okay. Let's see. A liar is not believed when he tells the truth. Okay. This is right or no. If they said the answer is B. If people think that you are a liar, they will not believe anything you say. This is true or no? Yes? And the other? Yes? Okay, this is the right answer. Give a plus. And then the second. What done is done cannot be done. Undone. Okay, please. Read the first. Can be undone. What is done cannot be undone. Repeat. Repeat. What is done? Okay, you cannot change what's already done. This is right answer or correct? Right or wrong answer?
Yes.
Yes, and then?
Yes.
Yes, this is the right answer. What is done cannot be undone. Like in our language, kalau nasi sudah jadi, gimana? Nasi sudah jadi bubur tak akan bisa berubah jadi nasi. Jadi it's mean you cannot change what has already done. This is the answer is D. Okay, the third. Okay, Nara, please. Wisdom is only found in truth. This is A. An insult to person is treated as his character examination, while injury this is A. This is wrong or not? Huh? Yes, how can someone be expected to be wise if he does not tell the truth? Okay. Now the fourth. Sorry, Nora, your answer is wrong. It's okay. Don't give up, Nora. Okay, the next, number 4. Okay? What? The answer is A. Okay. An injury is much sooner forgotten than an insult. The answer is A. An insult to a person is treated as his character examination, while injury, both physical and mental, can be held with the passing time. It's mean that kalian harus berhati-hati in our language is lidahmu. Oh iya, jadi we have to be careful with our mouth, our tongue. Okay, this is correct. Yes, this is A. And then the last, Rome was not built in a day. Okay. E. Okay, if your paper face to problem difficult, it will be easier to deal with. Rome was not built in a day, but Prambanan can build in a day, right? Right or no? Kalau Roma nggak bisa dibangun dalam 1 hari, kalau Prambanan? Iya, 1 hari bisa dibangun dalam 1 malam. Itulah hebatnya Indonesian people. Okay, this is the answer is true or right? This is true or right? Yes, if you are prepared to face a problem difficult, it will be easier to deal with it. So, if we have some difficulties, we have to deal with it. It means that like
kita harus ya berlapang dada. Kita harus berdamai dengan masalah itu. Okay, is that the mean? Okay, now and then we will make a conclusion. Okay, I want to divide you. Each group will present your conclusion. The first group will conclusion what you got, and then the second group, and then the third group what you got. That what we do in this meeting. Okay, let's please from the first group who wants to conclude. Okay, Nora. Okay, thank you. Please stand up, please.
When thought we ask the passive voice in preference to the active, we often prefer to ask the passive voice first. We do not know who the agent is. Example, I do not who did it, but my pet rabbit has been let out. I had the feeling that I was being followed. Instead of I don't know who did it, but someone has let out the pet rabbit. I had the feeling that somebody was following me. Second, when it is obvious to the listener or reader who the agent is. Example, I had been instructed to remove all the ashtrays. She discovered that she was being paid less than her male colleagues. Instead of my boss had instructed me to remove all the ashtrays. She discovered that the firm was paying her less than her male colleagues. Third, when it's not important to know who the agent is. Example, do you want a live? No thanks, I'm being picked up. Instead of, do you want I live? No thanks, someone is picking me up. Fourth, when the agent has already been mentioned. Example, in the next session of Parliament, new laws will be introduced aimed at stopping domestic violence. Instead of in the next session of Parliament, the government will introduce new laws aimed at stopping domestic violence. 5. When people in general are the agent. Example, all the Beatles records can be borrowed from the central library. Instead of, you can borrow all the Beatles records from the central library.
Okay, thank you. Give applause. So, we can conclude that when we should use the passive voice in the preference to active, we have 5 points. The first is we don't know who is the agent. We don't know who is the agent. Kita tidak tahu siapa itu the agent. Agent itu apa? Who is the agent? Orangnya. So, kita nggak tahu siapa sih yang ngomong. Gitu. For example, this is there is on your book page 104. I don't know who did it. My pet rabbit has been let out. Saya tidak tahu siapa yang sudah mengeluarkan kelinci saya. We don't know who is the agent. Kita tidak tahu siapa pelakunya. And then the second, when it is obvious to the listener or the reader who is the agent. For example, I have been instructed to remove all the trash, all the ashtrays. Saya sudah menginstruksikan. Siapa yang sudah menginstruksikan? We don't know. Okay, and then the third, when it is is not important to know who is the agent. Not important to agent who is. Jadi kita nggak tahu siapa yang ngomong, nggak penting gitu loh. And then the fourth, when the agent has already been mentioned. Nah, kalau kita sudah make a text like the text that we have already read in the present, jika agentnya sudah disebutkan di depan, maka nggak perlu lagi agentnya sebutkan lagi di belakang. Nah, kalau kita menggunakan pasif, kita bisa pakai itu. And then the last, when the people in general are the agents, it means that the agent is not only one person. It is there are many agents, ya. Jadi agentnya itu bukan hanya just not one, but many. For example, all the Beatles record can be borrowed from the Central Library. Jadi agentnya not just for one. Okay. Did you get it? Did you understand when we use the passive? Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay, if you understand, really? Yes? Okay. And then we move to the second group. What will they will conclude about what? Okay, yes, please. Okay, thank you. So, you can conclude that this is the form or the form of passive voice. Passive voice, it means that subject plus infinitive form of to be plus past participle or the third column of irregular verbs. Like you can see on your book, page 1107. It means that if we use simple present tense, the to be that we have used is what? The to be in simple present tense, there is am, there is, and then there is are. And then if we want to use passive, we can use past participle. Okay, this is the passive form of simple present simple. This is when we use simple present tense, so we use the to be, am, is, are. For example, how is the word pronounced? And then if we use present continuous, so the to be, we use verb ing. Don't forget to use ing, being. So the example, the house is being decorated. And then the third, the past simple, we use was word plus verb 3. Our past participle is been past verb 3. And then past perfect simple, we use had been plus verb 3. And then future, we use will be plus verb 3. And then the future will have been plus verb 3. And then infinitive, to be plus verb 3. For example, exam have to be taken almost every year. You are at school, or do you know who is going to be invited? Now, it is very simple if you can memorize the form of past participle, passive voice. Jadi this is not different between active form. The differences is the verb verbnya ya, yang berubah hanya verbnya. Kalau di verb active itu verbnya sometimes we use verb 1 and verb 3, but when we passive voice verb 1 and verb 2, but in passive voice all of the verb we use verb 3. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Really? Okay. But now the last, please. The last group. Okay, thank you. Give applause for all. Okay, this is so when we want to make a passive voice or active to be passive voice, this is the example. Robots make this car. This is in active. What the meaning is? What the meaning of this? Robot makes this car. The meaning is in Indonesia is robot membuat mobil, membuat robot. In robotnya banyak because there is S. So not only one robot. So robot membuat this car. Mobil ini. Jadi let's makes to be passive form. Jadi kita ubah the object, this is subject, this is verb, then this is object. So change the object to be the subject. This cars, and then the verb change to be passive voice because this is make and then become was made. And then the subject robots become object by robots. Added by, ditambah by. Jadi this car was made by robots. What the meaning? Robots. What the meaning? This car. What the meaning in Indonesia? Robots. And then? In passive, membuat, become, yes, dibuat, oleh. Don't forget by the meaning is oleh robot. Jadi from the meaning robot telah membuat mobil, berubah artinya kalau pasif jadi mobil-mobil itu dibuat oleh si robot. Jadi objek itu move become a subject, and then the subject robot become a object. But don't forget to use by, because the by the meaning is oleh. Oke, jadi robot, mobil-mobil itu telah dibuat oleh robot. I give you another example. In active, I eat apple. I eat apple. This is active. Change to be passive. Apple. Apple. Okay. I eat apple. Saya makan apel. Sekarang saya itu jadi subjek kan? Let's move. Subjek I kalau berubah menjadi objek, this is become no, become me. Object become me. So the apple was eat by me. Apel itu sudah dimakan oleh saya. Kan, apa? Seperti itu, ya kan? Iya, jadi I eat apple become apple was eat by me. Was eat at by me. Eat at eaten. Oh, eaten. Was eaten by me. I ate apple become apple was eaten by me. Okay. Did you get it? Are you serious? Any questions so far?
No.
Really? Sure? Okay, I give you one example again. I drink a coffee. Change to passive voice. I drink a coffee. Don't forget, drink, drank, drunk. So the third verb is drunk. So the coffee was drunk by me. Okay, good. Okay, for the next. Okay, class. After you present you can conclude what we done today. Now, please make text transactional. This is a short text transactional. There is in your worksheet task 3. I give you 5 minutes to do it. Yes, task 3. Yes, make short text with the words bully, hit, and the report. Bully, you know bully? Bully, you know bully? Yes, bullying, you know? You mean a bully? Yes. And then hit, you know hit? Like this, hit? This is hit. Yes, this is hit. And then report. Report like if you hit this and I saw it, I report to your teacher. This is the meaning of report. Yes. Okay. Let's do it. I give you 5 minutes. Please do it. Make a short text with the words bully, hate, and report. Yes. Have you finished? Not yet. Okay. Continue. Have you finished? Not yet. Yes.
Saya memukul dia.
Okay, finish?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you. After this meeting, you can submit to me your work, and then now after you conclude, and then you can write your text in a group. I want give you the evaluation. Who wants the answer this question? I will give you a present. This is. Okay, please. Look at this. This is a text, and then find out the passive voice. Find out the passive voice. Okay, find out the passive voice. Do you find it? You can find the quickly who, but of all of you, I will give you this if you can answer quickly. Which one the passive voice on the text? Raise your hand. The passive voice. Okay. Nah. This is for you. If you can answer quickly, I will count it till 5. 1. This is just this. 1. And then 2. Come on, guys. Come on, class. Okay. Oh, this is. Sorry. What's your name? Istra. What is the answer? What's your answer? Which one? The passive voice. Which one? Come on. Is? It is strong. No, I'm sorry. That's not the answer. Strong is not verb. This is strong. Strong. This is not not verb, but strong is what? Adjective. This is strong. This is strong. Not verb, right? But this is strong. Strong itu apa? Kuat. Strong itu kan kuat. Dia bukan verb. Jadi dia itu apa? This is adjective. And then who? Next. Come on. I give you this. Okay, I will count it. Okay, Nara? Okay, flat glass is used in windows. Okay, give A+ for Nara. This is the right answer. This is for you, Nara. Every next you get the chocolate with me. And then next. Come on. Dang. Come on. I will count it. 5. Come on. 4. And then 3. 2. Okay?
This type is
Scallop. What? First? Which one? This? Which one? This is? Oh, this tank is cold. Okay. You have a right answer. Give A+ again. Now your answer is right. This is chocolate for you. And then for the last, which? Okay. What happened with another group? Why? Also, the first group. Come on. The second group and the third group. This is the last change. Come on. Okay, come on. Don't worry to try it. Okay, come on. Okay, you? Which one? This is the second, and then in the first pairs, and then which one? In the first phrase. This is your answer. This is right or no? No, this is the wrong answer. I'm sorry, the second group. Maybe the third group want to try it? Wait. Let's. Where is? A glass. Tiga, a glass. Okay. The flat layer of glass is then moved along rows. Okay, that's true answer. Okay, give applause. Okay. Thank you everybody. Now, after this, you can answer. You can answer this question. Just match. Okay? Just match the glass ingredient. You just match, and then after this, you make a text, but you write it on yourself. Work in individually, not in a group. So match this task, and then write a short text transaksional. Jadi buat ini kamu match and then make. Jadi buat teks itu secara individual. Okay. Now let's start it. This is. You can do it on your LKPD. This is. Okay. Ada. This is. You just match this text there is in your what? This is yes. And then you can write down your answer on under the text like this. Match the object with the action. You just match and then make a text. Okay. Now let's start it. Yes, this is ya. Nanti iya, kalimat ini nanti kamu match-nya kamu tulis aja di sini. Over here, this is the object, the glass ingredient. Nah, di sini apa the glass ingredients-nya. You can just match and then make a text. Bikin teks pendek like this. Transaksional. In your book, there is on your book page. If you find out, yes. Page 112. 112. This is there is in your book. And then don't forget to make a short text transaksional that use language feature-nya focus on passive voice. 100 and this is have some difficulties? You can find out this. This is depend on this. Yes, just depend on this. If the first, the glass ingredient, you can say the glass ingredients what? Yeah, you can. Did you find it? This text, it depend on this text. Yes, on this text. This is loh, this. Ini. This question depend on this. For example, you can see the glass ingredients. You can see the glass ingredient in this text. What it is? And then find out the answer. A, B, C, D, or E. Have you finished?
When we met teacher,
Finish, okay? How about the others? Finish? Finish? This group finish? Finish, okay? Thank you. Now submit to me your work. Please submit to me your work. Kumpulin ke ibu. Okay, this is. Submit to me. Kumpulin. Okay. Okay, now, because our time is up, and you have already finished your work, I want to ask you any question. Did you understand? Yes. Are you really? Yes. Okay, I think that's not true. Are you really? Yes, okay, yes. Okay, if you understand, now I give you the reflection. So today, what did we do this meeting? Apa sih yang kita pelajari? Apa yang kita lakukan hari ini? We discussed about yes, text intransaksional that focus on language feature-nya passive. Yes, passive voice. Okay, are you happy study today? Yes. Okay, are you happy? Got a chocolate? Are you happy? Happy. Okay. Thank you. Because our time is up. Nora, please your friend to close our meeting.
After close, we listen to the let's take praise. Pray, please.
Okay, thank you. I think enough for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.